Over the years of us studying our galactic buddies in the sky, the stars, we have learned and found thousands of other planets in different solar systems other than our own, and recently we have found a world record in the closest orbiting exoplanet to its star. And this dying exoplanet is currently being consumed by its parent star. Astronomers at the University of Warwick have discovered an exoplanet that has an orbit around its parent star that lasts only 18 total hours, which is the shortest orbital period ever observed of any planet of this type. Now, this planet is a hot Jupiter planet, and it's actually more massive than Jupiter itself. NGTS-10b, which is the planet that we're talking about, was discovered around 1,000 light years away from Earth, and it's part of the Next Generation Transit Survey. Now, this survey observes over 100,000 stars, and this one just happened to catch our attention because of this said planet and its death route into its parent star. So, to put in perspective exactly where this planet is currently orbiting, it is around twice the diameter of the star of which it orbits, which in the context of our solar system would locate it about 27 times closer than Mercury is to our own sun. Now, because of this, scientists are observing that the tidal forces of this star are currently ripping this planet apart, even though this star is slightly less massive and slightly less large than our home star, the Sun. It's also 1,000 degrees cooler than the surface of our sun, but regardless of that, the Jupiter-sized planet that orbits even less than 1 million miles away from the star has a temperature of over 1,000 degrees Celsius. This is a good simulation to understand and put into perspective visually what this system currently looks like. We have never yet observed a planet of this size being this close to its star, and this is the first actual exoplanet that we've ever observed currently in the process of destabilization and being ripped away by the gravitational pull of its parent. It's thought that these types of planets originate in the outer regions of solar systems while they're first forming, because it's quite impossible for such a large gas giant to collect the material needed when it's that close to its star, simply because of the inhabitability of gas in that region. So because of this, the process of it migrating closer and closer to its star, in this case this system now being closer to its star than any other thing we've seen yet, takes millions of years. Within the next coming months, we will see this planet totally disappear, and it's estimated that within only a couple of years it will no longer exist. And the data collected through telescopes and infrared can confirm that the gas is currently being ripped away from the planet and being turned into a pseudo-ring type formation around the star, almost like a giant Saturn. So as time goes on, we hope to see this whole process unfold so we can have more information on what exactly takes place in it. Until then, we could be sure that at the very least it will be one epic fireworks show.